Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. As the River State political crisis continues unabated, it is important to look at one of the areas that Simi Fubara, the governor of the state, and indeed the Rivers people was cheated in the Supreme Court ruling about the defection of the lawmakers. You know, when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu called a meeting recently with leaders of Niger Delta, including the Pan Niger Delta Forum, otherwise known as PANDEF, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu reprimanded the camp of Governor Simi Fubara, saying that they signed a peace accord that he brokered at the Aso Villa because people told him that he should not implement it. So the president was blaming Simi Fubara camp for the failure in the peace accord that he brokered. That peace accord resulted in an 8-point resolution on how to end the crisis in Rivers State. And but if you listen to Nyesom Wike, he's always blaming the camp of Simi Fubara for being the reason why that peace accord fell. And of course, the president was seeing it from the perspective of Nyesom Wike. But like Dele Momodu, a veteran journalist, pointed out recently, the major culprit was the Nyesom Wike camp. And one of the areas they cheated Fubara and the people of River State was in the area of the defection of the lawmakers, which it appears now as if the Supreme Court has settled the matter. Now, if you look at your screen, I circled number 3 resolution. That number 3 resolution was a confirmation that these people have defected. And President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was there when they signed, when that peace accord was signed. So these people agreed that they have defected. In fact, that number 3 resolution stated that the leadership of the House under Speaker Martin Amehule, a Wike loyalist, will be recognized along with the 27 lawmakers who defected from the PDP. So in that resolution, it was clear in black and white that these people have defected. But look at how the Supreme Court was able to dance around the whole place to ensure that they are saved. Because when it dawned on them that their defection was faulty, they now changed their mind that they never defected. But look at the document they signed. Look at the document that the Nyesom Wike camp signed, number 3, to know that they defected. But now these are the same people. Because they have been saved by the Supreme Court, they are now threatening the governor up and down, humiliating the governor, locking him out of the State House of Assembly. They were the ones that issued ultimatum to Simi Fubara to bring the budget. When eventually he brought the budget, they locked him out just to embarrass him, just to show that they have upper hand now. Upper hand given to them by the Supreme Court, which Professor Chiding, who know a lot about the law, have identified some of the faults with that Supreme Court judgment that the Nyesom Wike camp are now capitalizing on they are capitalizing on it to ridicule the governor of a state who is the chief security officer of the state. Can you imagine that kind of thing happening to Nyesom if he was governor? He want to enter a territory in his state where he is the chief security officer. They will lock the gate. Nyesom would have said they should pull down the gate of that state assembly. But Simi Fubara acted in line with rule of law and vacated their area. And that is not enough for them. They are still threatening. They are still foot dragging, even when the president himself has said that they should go and make peace. He told the elders of Niger Delta, let's go and make peace. But they don't want to do that. They are still threatening Simi Fubara. And that threat could result to the level that the civil servants in River State may not get their salary this month. And that Tinubu and Nyesom will eventually pay the political price in 2027. I don't know what to think about it. What do you think about the fact that in the resolution that was brokered by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that's number 3 resolution that they have defected to PDP. When they changed their mind that they didn't defect, they violated that resolution. But President Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not take note of that when he was talking about that Simi Fubara camp, that the people told Simi Fubara not to adhere to the peace accord. But who told the pro-Nyesom camp, whose lawmakers, who said that they have defected in that meeting in the villa, who told them to change their mind that they have not defected? That was a violation of that peace accord. I don't know what to think about this, but look at it, how the Supreme Court has saved them on the issue of defection. Because even though the issue of defection is still a subject under litigation at the High Court and the Appeal Court, with the Supreme Court judgment on it, from what Professor Chiding analyzed, it is immaterial whatever they will come out from those places. But you can see how they cheated Simi Fubara, because these people admitted that they defected. They did not only admit in that resolution, which you have seen that was brokered by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they also filed an affidavit in court. But you can see that in the Supreme Court ruling, they make sure that that everything went in the way of the defected lawmakers, making the affidavit irrelevant as a means of determining a position of the outcome of any issue, especially in relation to defection. Because they say, according to the Supreme Court, it's only if you have to be registered. Your name must be in the register of the party. You must have the party's ID card. That is when you have defected, which was a far cry from the previous judgments of the Supreme Court. What do you think about how the lawmakers or the Nyesom camp got away with their defection matter? Does that show you that Nigeria is making progress in our democracy, or we are retrogressing, or we are turning to a banana republic? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video. Because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.